This math summary focuses on the subtraction algorithm without and with trading. The subtraction algorithm is just one of the many strategies we can use to subtract numbers, but it's a formal written down strategy where we need paper and pencil and we need to rule it up and draw it up correctly so we get correct calculations. We're always thinking about the top number subtracting the lower number, and we use two lines to write our answer in. Now this whole board is looking at without trading because my top number every single time is big enough to subtract the lower number from. When I say 4 take away 3, I can actually do that and I get 1, and that's where I write my answer. 6 tens take away 2 tens, I get 4 tens, and so my top number is big enough. Every single time, whether it's 2 digits, 3, 4 or more, I'm always saying the top is subtracting the bottom number. Moving in that direction is central to using the subtraction algorithm. 7 take away 0 is 7. 8 tens take away 6 tens is 2 tens. 500 take away 100 is 400. Now you'll notice I'm moving from the smallest place value to the biggest place value, from ones to tens to hundreds. And I'm saying those place values as I move across to practice and understand the method that I'm actually doing. With 4-digit numbers, it would sound like this. 1 take away 0 is 1. 3 tens take away 2 tens is 110. 400 take away 100 is 300, and 6,000 take away 4,000 is 2,000. I said the place value as I move from the ones to the tens to the hundreds and the thousands. But once I become proficient with understanding that procedure, I can actually just say each column as an individual separate subtraction question and not say the place value, like this. 6 take away 3 is 3, 2 take away 2 is 0, 3 take away 2 is 1, 9 take away 6 is 3, and 5 take away 3 is 2. I moved across and I said the top number take away the lower number, but I didn't say the place value. I constantly think of the place value though, because I need to connect that when I'm saying 8 tens take away 6 tens, I'm actually connecting the column. The top number is taking away the bottom number, and that's really important. Keeping straight columns will help me achieve that. Now all of these numbers had a top number that was big enough, so I didn't need trading or banking. But in the next board, what happens when I do need to do trading and banking? How do I do that? Well, let's explore 62 take away 48.
If maths always felt this simple, your child's confidence would soar. That's why we built more than 200 core concept lessons just like this one. The link's below. Now let's finish this one together.
2 take away 8, I actually can't do that because 2 is not big enough. So I need to do something. I need to go to the next place value and get a 10. Well, that's the 6 tens. I need to take one of those tens and put it with the 2. 10 and 2 makes 12. But I need to cancel that 6 tens out and say there's only 5 tens left. Now I can do 12 take away 8 is 4, and then I get to my tens, I say 5 tens take away 4 tens is 110. Let's explore this strategy when we're trading with our subtraction algorithm with 3 digits. 7 take away 9, I can't do it, so I cancel out my 3 tens and make it 2 tens and put the 10 I grabbed here with the 7 to make 17. 17 take away 9 is 8. 2 tens take away 5 tens, I can't do that either. So I need to cross out my 6 and make it a 5, and I put my extra 10 there. So it's now 12 take away 5 is 7. 5 take away 1 is 4. Even with 4 digits, I can move across from the ones saying 2 take away 8. 2 take away 8, I can't do 2 take away 8, so I cancel out my 6 and make it a 5 and put my 10 here. Well, 12 take away 8 I can do, and that's 4. 5 take away 6 I can't do, and again I'm cancelling out, changing this and putting it here. 15 take away 6, well that's 9. 2 take away 7 I can't do. I cross this out, I make it the smaller number, I put the extra here, and now that's 12. 12 take away 7 is 5. And 4 take away 1 is 3. So each time, what am I thinking of? my place value. My place value moving from the smallest place value to the largest place value every single time with the subtraction algorithm. Keeping my place value in straight columns is really important because it's a formal written down method. I take my top number, I look at it, I say that top number, and I take away the bottom number from that top number. And if that top number isn't big enough, I go next door and get 10 from the bigger place value. So I move across and I go top to bottom, and there's a set strategy, but practicing the subtraction algorithm will be an extra method that you can use to take numbers away.